Hey guys, today's video we're gonna play Monkey on a Shelf with my friends Tom and Math. And remember to subscribe to the Tominator and Mathos. So let's go in the video.
Cause you're on, cause we're on for the start.
Yeah, right. Where's Mathos? Is he doing the intro?
I don't know.
Okay, anyway, go on the shelf. Alright, now I'm allowed to choose one thing you're not allowed to touch. And I think... I think I'm gonna remove this, okay? Right here. This right here. Let's go.
3, 2, 1,
Okay,
go!
which one do you remove again? Which one do you remove?
The new cosmetics with the gloves on.
Oh yeah.
My wall climbing skills went
Tell
in.
nobody.
I removed this one, so you have to jump to another one.
Um,
See that?
Alright, back to the shelf.
I don't touch the floor.
Yeah, you touched the floor. Let's go.
Guys, I'm removing this one with the
Which one?
this one here.
I'm gonna, like,
What he removed, I didn't listen.
oh.
What did he remove?
Whoa! Whoa! This one. Oh, wait. Can you make it?
Yeah, I made it. Let's go.
Oh, beans. Why are you so good
Go.
at this game?
I don't know, I just made it. Right, back to the shelf.
Okay, so I'm gonna
What are you
remove.
removing?
I'm removing this one.
Alright. Okay.
So he going this way, I think.
Whoa! That's a warren there. Even though I can't. Even though I can't.
Yeah, I made it. I made it again. I just made it.
Hey guys, back to the shelf.
Back to the shelf we
Go without touching the floor.
Too bad, too sad.
Yeah.
Touching the floor.
Oh shoot. Oh.
I'm gonna remove.
What are you removing?
I'm removing this one.
That shelf.
Yeah.
Move out of the way.
Oh my god, I just landed on the top hat. Oh my god. I don't know.
Did I touch the floor?
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Did you hit the floor, Bab?
Guys, you have to... No.
Rewind if I hit the floor. I'm not sure. Oh my. Oh my god, I just landed on. So it doesn't really count if I'm not sure.
I
Oh,
definitely
oh.
didn't hit the floor. I did it again. Ba-da-da-da-da-da.
Da, da, da.
Whoa, Mr. Beans.
What you're removing right now?
Then whilst Mathos trying to remember the place. Okay,
You guys didn't know, right?
I'm gonna move
I'm gonna secretly
Oh my
all
gosh, I
run
want to
around.
remove any of the wood ones so we have help, man. No!
Ah, he got tagged now. Get tagged. Ah! It's okay, Tom. It's okay, Terminator.
I'm gonna get absolutely
Unlucky.
by removing
What are you gonna remove?
this one.
Oh no, we've moved that one.
And you're not allowed to go on between things.
Remove. Wow. Remove the perfect one. I touched the mirror. I touched the mirror. I
Okay.
touched.
Next one I'm removing
Ooh.
is I'm gonna remove this one.
What?
Which one? Wait, actually,
You guys didn't know, yeah.
in front of the glove.
I touched the mirror, but I touched the floor, maybe. Nah, I'm only joking with you. Yeah, guys, what?
That what? No, I was talking to my fans.
What? Imagine if you had fans. Oh!
Oh!
Shut up. At least I got more subscribers.
You just touched it!
Oh, I'm dead! I'm dead!
I'm dead!
Oh!
Well, he's on now.
I guess I'm on now.
He's on now. I dropped my controller! I dropped my controller!
You big back! That was mean. Aye, that's a bit mean, isn't it? Drop my controller. Ah!
He's right behind us. Du-du-du-du-du-du.
Okay. I'm removing this one over here, lads. This one.
That one over there, okay.
Wait, which one?
That one over there.
I'm sorry, I don't know which one is that one over there, but okay. Oh! No, I didn't touch it! I didn't touch it! I did that!
Really? You did not touch it?
No, I didn't. Okay. I'm removing the mirror.
Nah, that doesn't count, you know. That doesn't count, bro. That doesn't count.
I'm removing this one.
Bro, he thinks he knows. He thinks he's gonna remove the mirror. Wow.
Anyway. Hello, I'm going through mode again. Which one again? I forgot.
Wait, what?
I can't. It's this one.
You can see on the map. Look.
I really don't care.
Let's go. Oh wait, you gone already? Oh, shoot. I was showing my camera out the map. What did you remove?
Oh my Gideon, are you listening?
Alright.
Move it, Wazowski.
Oh, I'm floating!
Floating. Falling.
Dreaming.
Hey guys, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Bonka wonka boom balloon. Okay, I'm removing this one now. And by the way, you're not allowed to go on this thing.
Aye!
Wait, actually, you are. Never mind.
Aye, thank you!
Don't tell him. Don't tell him.
Touch nothing. Hey, that's the one I removed.
What removed? Yeah! Oh, sorry. That's a bit copyrighted. Oopsies.
Excuse me.
I'm maybe gonna... Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Have a good day and remember to subscribe to my channel. And maybe subscribe to them. Mathos and Terminator, okay? But definitely subscribe to me. Yeah. Bye!